Well, talagang even before December, nagkaroon na tayo ng mga naunang meeting para ma-prevent po. And we are targeting really on zero casualty. Family comes first kasi sa amin. And with the concerted effort of the CDRMC, the PNP, Bureau and Fire, and the barangays, we were able to manage yung before New Year na nagkaroon tayo ng zero casualty. And I believe this is the first time na wala akong casualty sa New Year. I have already written Sangguniang Panlunsod. Siguro I have about 7 or 8 legislative measures that need to be updated. Isa yung sa about the fireworks. So, I think it's going to be tomorrow. I will be visiting Sangguniang Panlunsod to make a follow-up sa update ng lahat ng mga ordinances na medyo outdated na yung mga iba kasi. So, yan ang gagawin pa natin. And this is very important for me.